So people in Colorado actually love their swamp coolers. We stopped working on them a while ago, and part of it was they're really simple, honestly. So they're like great technology for that. Where you don't use a lot of electricity, you use more water. So that's the downside of a swamp cooler. Swamp coolers, like if you put in a high efficiency swamp cooler, you have a 4-inch water panel, and so like the breeze air units and things like that get a much higher temperature drop, but you're still looking at a maximum temperature drop of about, I would say, 25 degrees is what I've seen. So in Colorado, when it's rarely getting above 95, that works great. It's a nice, cool, humidified 70 degrees. And same thing, but in Phoenix, when it's, 115, that's not going to cut it at all.